The thing's leading me to other fish and stuff, so. How many, yeah. I want to try to lead it over into a corner. But, yeah, I liked, Downpour. There's like, it's like they actually took advantage of the fact that you're in Silent Hill and you can be creepy. And I like the side quests and stuff that you could do. Those were great. Not all of them were great, but, like I didn't like the one with the police car. But, I like the one where you, have a, gramophone and you gotta rewind it and no, 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 no. Okay, let's go up here. We're gonna go back. Oh, seriously, what is this thing? Now let's go back this way. What is it? Two of them now? Oh, got it. What is this thing? Yes. Gah! I got a giant isopod. It's the custodian of the sea. Well, we will find Rome.